Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Tarot, and these are going to be the weekly readings for fire sign people Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is going to be the reading from 24th of March to 30th of March 2025. On people's request, my lovely subscriber request, I'm pulling out the cards for each sign, and I'm also going to put the timestamp as well. So let us see the energies for Aries, for Leo, for Sagittarius people, and let us see the tarot messages for all the three signs: Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius people. However, they are still the group readings, so please pick it up what resonates with you. Please leave the rest for others. And this is going to be a quick short reading because you guys are really liking the weekly readings. So let us see what messages do we have for Aries people out there. Aries, the next week you have a broken heart, and in your tarot energies you have Ace of Wand and you have Nine of Pentacle. This is definitely the turmoil, the setback for one set. That means when I pulled up this particular card, this is a clear indication that from the source you are expecting some reciprocation, some reward, or from the channel you are expecting something. Aries, you are not going to get from that particular channel, from some other channel, from some unexpected route. Aries people, you are going to get a new opportunity, and that new opportunity is going to be a life changing opportunity, in the sense that it is going to be very well established as far as your money, your career, your finances goes. If you see your tarot reading, it's a wonderful tarot reading with Ace of Wand and Nine of Pentacle. A new opportunity is bringing a lot of financial stability, security, and recovery back into your life. With broken heart, with number 9, it says that you have actually given your heart and soul to one particular aspect in your life. If you look at the bigger picture, you were trying and putting all your efforts into something which was not giving you any kind of results. So it is like a dead end. So yes, you are going to get the recovery opportunity from some other source, but this is not the right time for you to keep looking only to one option, something which you have been trying for long but you are not getting the answer. Please know that you are taking too much on your heart for that, and it's giving a clear signal that it's time for you to choose a new direction. So Aries, look for a new direction, put hard work in the new direction. With number 9, which represents the planet Mars, it is telling you to give the hard work, but to the new place, to the unexpected opportunity, unexpected door which is getting opened in your life. And your message card, the oracle card you have, is the Bombat Spirit with number 8. And number 8 is a representation of planet Saturn, which is directly related to your career and money situation into your life. And this says that life is a mystery, something really good and big is going to get unfolded this week. So be very hopeful. Things seems to be little encouraging for you this time. Now let us see the messages for my lovely Leo people out there. Leo, you have a card, Magician and the Mirror with number 8 again. So yes, 8 is having the influence on Aries and even on Leo this time. Magician and the Mirror is an indication that it is the time, Leo, for you to start something of your own. When you have this card in the reading, you start getting a lot of support from all around. The kind of support you need, the time, the money, the advice, the space. God have chosen you to start something new because he will be going to arrange all what you need to start. So if you have any creative idea in your mind, Leo, this period, this week is definitely the good period to put that planning, put that strategy into action with lot of self introspection, inner work, and take the needed call. But yes, you are warned also simultaneously not to misuse the resources, the support you might be getting from people because they trust you or they are God sent. So be very careful with those notes, Leo. You also have Four of Swords and you have got the lucky Empress. It seems that, if you have tried anything in past and it was not working, it is definitely the time for you to not make any extra effort into that direction. However, whatever work you have done, whatever efforts you have made, those are just enough for you to pick up things, because the follow up card is the Libra energy, is the Empress, which means the creativity, the innovation, the comfort, the luxury will come to you for sure. This also gives an indication for a very good and big materialistic gain in time to come. Now, when you have this card of Empress, it's also a good sign for people who are looking forward to motherhood and couples who are looking forward for family extension. Go ahead, this is a good sign for all my lovely Leo people out there. And let us see your oracle card message this week. It says the grasshopper spirit. It's time for you to definitely take a leap of faith when you surrender completely, and when you have faith that whatever sequence is happening, it's happening for your own good, for your own upliftment, and for your own development in the current life, and it is balancing your karma. It definitely helps you out. And see, this is number 3. Number 3 belongs to the planet Jupiter. That means this week is going to bring a lot of wisdom, maturity to your overall thought process and the emotions as well. Now, let us see the messages for my lovely Sagittarius people. Your energy is the clear, bright sun right there. The needed clarity is going to come into your life for sure. With the presence of Sun Sagittarius, lot of complex things are going to get resolved. And I do feel with the energy of Sun, a lot of people who are looking forward for a good news, you're going to be blessed with a very powerful and lucky angel into your life. With the help of this Sun, I also feel that your old projects are also going to get revived. There is a lot of luck coming, or lot of fortune, in the sense the kind of work you are going to get, those things are going to get big name, big fame to you into your life. So be ready for the new beginning into your life, Sagittarius people. And in your tarot, you do have King of Swords and you have got Two of Cups. With this King of Sword, yes, it's time for you to be very intellectual and use your wisdom wisely. But I do feel that you're also getting very harsh this particular week. You have to be careful that you're not spoiling any of your personal and professional relationship. And so far, you have also got a good reading, because you have got Two of Cups this week, Sagittarius. Be ready for a new beginning relationship into your professional life. Someone in your from your family or friend is going to offer a business association to you, which is going to be filled up with a lot of love, compassion, and affection for each other. This is also the time that if you are single, there is a huge possibility that another 2 months time you will be into a relationship or you will be engaged. So be open, because this is a group reading. A lot of you will be moving either into a business partnership or love partnership very, very soon. So if you see the tarot reading for all the 3 signs, you have got some lucky cards each sign, and it is going to be a very good and a fruitful period for you. For the Sagittarius oracle card message, you do have number 4. 6 plus 7 is 13, which is 4, which means this week you need more of organization, you need more of discipline for yourself, which is going to help you in the longer run. And it says it's time for you to turn your knowledge into wisdom, which is not just useful for you, but it is even useful for people who are in association with you, or people who are coming in touch with you for work. And I do feel that a lot of your previous connections or professional relationship, they remember your intelligence, they remember your contribution, they remember your creativity and innovation and your concern for the work. So I do feel the kind of knowledge you have given to your clients, the way you have educated your clients, Sagittarius, you're going to get the reward or the reward back for that for sure. It is a wonderful reading even for Sagittarius people. Do let me know how you resonated with the group reading, though I have tried to divide the reading completely, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Do let me know how you resonated with it. I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed.